Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, I am making some focaccia bread. This is my version, and this is the way I make it. So, I have some extra virgin olive oil, and I have 2 tablespoons I will be adding to my mixer. 2 to 3. You know what? I feel crazy. Let's just add 3. Okay. 3 right there. Now my helper Ava will add half of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Go ahead. Thank you, Ava. Okay. Cheesy Parmesan focaccia bread. So we have some Parmesan cheese that Ava will be adding. Don't worry about it. Everything for this recipe will be in the description box. This is 1 tablespoon. Go. We're going to do about 2. Go. Okay, so that's 1.
Did all of it in there?
Yes. Cheese. This cheesy deliciousness. Go ahead, add it in. Thank you, my chef. I have 4 cups of bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour. It's pretty much up to you. Just add it all in there. 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. 1, 2. And I'm just going to put this down. Make sure that it's locked. I'm going to need this for about 7 to 8 minutes. So I'm going to put it on. Okay, so as it's mixing, I'm going to add some salt. As far as the water is concerned, use as much water as needed until you get the consistency to the right amount. 1 teaspoon of sugar. You don't have to do that because it's cheesy, herbal, just to give it a nice flavor. Okay, so once you have your olive oil, I'm just going to move that over. Here's my dough. Just going to just roll it into a ball like this, and then put it in here for 45 minutes to an hour to rise, and then it should puff right up, and I'll be back. Okay, my healthy friends, so it is time to make the herbs to go on top of our focaccia. I'll add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cups of Parmesan, teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I just mix it together. This is gonna be my cheesy sauce. This is going on top of the focaccia. So good. I'm going to brush that on. Okay, my healthy people, it's been an hour. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's risen to the top. As you may see, I have for my focaccia. Hey guys, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Ooh, this is nice and fluffy and airy. Ooh, nice. I like it. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely free. Okay. So I'm just going to stretch this out a little bit. I'm going to move this over. I'm going to put it in here. And it's already like very greasy already, so I don't really need to do much. I'm just going to stretch this out to the corners, and I'm not adding any more oil. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just use my finger here. And once again, guys, this is just the way I make it. If you have a great recipe or another way that you make it, that is wonderful. Okay. I will just brush it on top with my Parmesan. So, this is it. This is our focaccia. I love focaccia. Oh my god. Love, love, love it. Stretch out. And everything is well infused, as you may see. This is going to be nice and crispy on the outside and soft and tender on the inside. I preheated my oven for 20 minutes at 450 degrees. Okay, so in the oven, then I'll be back. This is our delicious cheesy focaccia bread. I'm getting ready to cut this up. Ava is right. Look at this. See how soft it is? So good. So delicious. Ooh, it's still a little hot. And I can pick it up easily. Look at that. Oh my god. Is it hot? Look at that. Ooh. It's a little hot. But I'm going to cut them up. And it's going to be so good. Look how soft it is. Alright guys, I know you want some, but you can make one of your own. I want to thank you guys for watching Maxine's Corner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is free. If you love the video, give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you next time in another video. And say it with me. Stay healthy.